Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. And you know how we do it in this family. So before we go any further, let us take this time to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to this channel. Thank you for everything you do for this channel. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Thank you for the comments. Your efforts was keeping this family going. Thank you so much. We also want to use this time to say thank you and welcome to everybody who just subscribed to this channel last week. Welcome to the family, and being part of this family means you get on code. You start liking the videos, sharing the videos, and leaving a comment in the comment section. You have thoughts about these videos that I want to know about, so leave them in the comment section. Get on code. So, let's go check out the answers to last week's trivia. Now be patient, stick with me to the end of the video for next week's trivia. Today's item is another recommendation from a member of this family, so Llewellyn, if you're listening, thank you. The EKSA E1000. This was one product I was very skeptical about. I thought it was just one of those products that actually look nice, but the output would suck. I was very wrong. Let's talk about it. Firstly, overall look. This headset looks and feels good and strong. It doesn't look cheap at all. It looks super comfortable. The headband is made with a durable yet flexible plastic material. It is not so hard as to cause you head strangulation. Some headbands are so rigid, it feels like your head is about to pop because there is no flexibility and bendability of the material it's made of. The headband is cushioned with memory foam covered in green pleather. It really helps for comfort. The ear cups are also covered on the speaker side by a thick layer of foam wrapped by the same pleather material used for the headband cushion. It's soft and breathable, no ear sweat. Behind the ear cups are metal shields with the EKSA logo or EKSA name cut out, and around and behind the shield are RGB lights. The light shines through the cutout on the shield, really looks cool. And the shield kind of gives you an extra assurance of the headset's sturdiness. The boom mic on the side of the ear cup sounds okay. I'm using it right now for this voiceover so you can hear what it sounds like. But overall, it's decent for a gaming headset. And for the price, it's really good. The inline control houses the mic on and off slide and the volume scroll. I always prefer it on the cord of the headset rather than the back of the ear cup. Naturally, since the headset has RGB, it'll only make sense that it's connected by USB. But I still say that I'll prefer that these USB headsets at least have the option of the 3.5mm jack. Options, people. Options. So in summary, the EKSA E1000 gaming headset is a powerhouse in the budget headset category. But there are a few things I find problematic. Or maybe problematic isn't the word I'm looking for because these are things I can compromise on. Number one, the mic really isn't noise cancelling. It still picks up surrounding sound, but in a not so noisy environment, it doesn't pick up noise at all. The speakers are not noise cancelling as advertised also, more like noise reduction. The bass sound does get loud when the volume is turned all the way up and kind of gets distorted, but the rest of the sound is excellently balanced. The mids and the highs are balanced out. You can use it to watch movies, listen to music, besides gaming. The 7.1 surround sound feature really enhances the gaming experience a lot. This headset gets the T.O.B seal of approval. It is a go. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let's go see next week's trivia. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them on your social media platforms, and leave a comment in the comment section. We're still doing recommended videos, so let me know. Till next time, take care.